It's all here. A brand new Traxxas drag slash, some accessories for a drag slash, and then this. I've been waiting for this. It's the brand new Ford Mustang 5.0 body set for the drag slash. Now, if you're like me and just like having fun with your RC cars, customizing them, this video is for you, because we are just gonna go and customize a drag slash just for the fun of it. I just go out and race my friends in a local parking lot. I don't do anything serious, but customizing is a big part of my fun. So we're gonna throw this thing together. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to customize your drag slash with just a few parts, and let's get to work. So here we have the body set all laid out. The body looks really good. It actually comes with some protective film over the hood. There's still some on the roof here. There's also an instruction sheet, the rear spoiler. We've got a front bumper, some body mounts, some hardware, and some rubberized mirrors, which is pretty cool, complete with the decals on them. Body itself got really nice lines, not too deep on the front grille area or anything like that. There's no molded plastic like we saw on the C10, so you can't add any LED lights to this one. But on the bright side, it does make the body a bit lighter. As you can see, no clear windows. We've got black decal windows, and it does look like you'll need to maybe push the decals down on the side here, use a little heat gun, then push them down so it reapplies. It's just pulling up during shipping. But a nice looking body overall. Let me spin it around so you guys can see the back of it. All the holes are pre-cut. You don't have to do any trimming to this. And it is available in a number of different colors. We've obviously got the blue, I believe there's black, green, and you know what, I forget the rest. So I will put a link to this down below so you can see all the different colors available. I've already got my C10 drag slash out. I'm not gonna use that body, obviously. I threw the wheelie bar on the back just for now, but let's go and assemble this body so we can get it on the chassis, see how it looks, and it should be really simple. All right, you gotta admit that body set looks pretty good, and it was really easy to assemble. Now it's time for me to move on to the other accessories I told you I picked up. I got this aluminum wheelie bar set. I also have the cross post for the back of it. All you have to do is use the stock hardware for the swap, and I also got some new wheels and tires and some serrated lock nuts. So I'll swap that out and I'll show you the overall look. There you have it, a whole new look in under an hour. I gotta say that body set looks pretty sweet and it's really easy to install. So if you don't like painting or cutting out bodies or even decaling, it's really one to consider. They got a bunch of color options and even clear if you do wanna go and paint your own. But everything just bolts right on, even the wheelie bar. That's a nice new addition to their option parts lineup, and even the different wheel options. I really like the look that I selected here. And now it's just time to go out and have some fun with it. I'm gonna go find a parking lot and do a few passes just for some fun. But check out the playlist that I have at the end of the video for Traxxas. Hit that subscribe button. I'll have links in the video description, and we'll see you back soon for some more RC Driver videos.